gallows you go. I think it's finally time to raise the devil, 666 on my jacket. With my brother, he just pulled up and he started slashing. I bring the gun, load the clips, now it's full automatic. The double J finally back with some murderous habits. Bitch, I'm a death dealer, look at my palms, that's a pentagram. Like cult leaders, all this evil got us in demand. All these pussies scared, yeah, they say we're too dark. They try to paint us as a villain, guess it's time to play the part, okay?
What's up, guys, man? We made it back to Home Depot, man. I'm gonna show you guys a quick DIY that you guys could do for your bottle holders, so that way you don't gotta spend so much money. Because I heard the bottle holders are going for 80, 50 bucks each. Stay tuned. So yeah, guys, this idea, I saw it on YouTube, right? I'm like, man, how can I make some bottle holders without having to spend so much money? Because right now, I've seen people just to get a bottle holder, it's like $80 online, 50 bucks to hold 5 bottles, guys. So if you have a lot of bottles to organize, imagine how many you need and how much money you're gonna spend. So guys, if you guys like the idea, man, y'all better like the video, comment and share it, subscribe. Let's see what we have, guys. Let's see what we have. So yeah, guys, you guys are gonna look at me crazy when I show you the idea. Like, I know a lot of y'all, I'm like, damn, why I didn't think about that? But I'm gonna show you guys, man. I'm gonna show you guys. And the funny thing is, it only costs you like probably like 40 bucks to make, $30 to make. And brand new, you buy it for $80. Like, listen, enough with the talking. I'm gonna show you guys how to get things done. DIY, from home. And get to the business, man. Let's see. Be careful you don't trip over this thing over here. All right, we almost there, guys. Ooh, we see one here, but we ain't gonna show them yet. All right, guys, let's see, where's the stuff at? Where the stuff at? Where are the stuff at? Okay, I think we're getting close to them. Guys, I don't see it, but I saw one of them. So if you guys are asking, what is it? It's something that people use to make fences, and it holds the fence. Oh, I think it's right here. Come on, right here, come on. It holds the fence. So all you need is a tool to make the circle in that. All you gotta do is just cut it to the size you want it. Boom, show them right here. There you go, right here, guys. Boom, I found it. These right here, right? You make the circles right here. And you got bottle holders for the low. But I don't need a big piece like that, so I have to see if they got smaller ones. Cause I don't need that big piece, guys. I really don't. Follow me? Look right here. $20. But is this the bigger one or this is smaller ones? Oh, these are smaller ones. I need the big ones. These are, oh shit. See, they all want to get bought. They all want to come with daddy. So guys, I don't know, man. I'm trying to see. I don't want to spend 40 bucks. Damn, but I think I'm going to have to, guys. I think I'm going to have to spend $40 on one of these right here. Oh, man. I'm going to cut back with you guys. I'm going to cut back. So, guys, this right here is, damn, $62. Oh, no. Can't be. No, it can't be that one. So, let me see, guys, real quick. All right, guys, so we made it back, but man, sadly, guys, my phone is on 5%, so I really cannot record you guys. But I'm gonna show you, right? Step over here for the camera so the people can see real quick. So the bottle holder is gonna go right here, guys, on top of this, right here, right? And I got the fence board over here. Now, I gotta make a platform right here, guys, right? For my pressure washer gun, my foam cannon, my spray guns. So I'm gonna make a nice platform to put all the stuff real nice and neatly. But come over here, camera guy, and then I'm gonna show you guys the stuff you need to make this happen, guys. So we got here. It's called a whole saw with arbor. Arbor? I don't know. Boom. And then you're gonna need, of course, screws, bolts, a washer to put it in place. Listen up, guys. So it is the next day. As you guys know, man, last vlog, I had to cut it because of the battery level on my phone. I wasn't planning to record, so when I got to the end of the video to give you guys the exciting part, man, my phone was on 5%. But let me stop talking too much shit, but let me get to the point. So right now I'm on the way to go buy the hitch for my truck, guys, because I got the trailer, but I haven't had a chance to find a hitch for my truck. I came across a good ass deal across a marketplace. So I'm on the way there with the family, man. I got, wifey behind the phone recording me and things like that. But we on the way, man. So I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm gonna give you guys a little B-roll on the way there, and then hopefully, show you guys what I got, and then cut back with you guys when I get to doing what this video is about, man, which is the bottle holder, man. Let's get it. Make sure you like the video, man. Subscribe and comment, man. Show your boy some love and support, cause this video's cost. You feel me? Let's get it.
Gallows you go. I think it's finally time to raise the devil. 666 on my jacket. With my brother, he just pulled up and he started slashing. I bring the gun, load the clips, now it's full automatic. The double J finally back with some murderous habits. Bitch, I'm a death dealer. Look at my palms, that's a pentagram. Like cult leaders, all this evil gotta send a man. All these pussies scared, yeah, they say we're too dark. They try to paint us as a villain, guess it's time to play the part. Okay.
What's up, guys, man? So I'm back. I'm back in the city. I'm back. Listen up, guys, man. So I know listen, if you guys are in Spring Hills, Florida, man, make sure you stop by Cali Street Tacos, man. There were some good ass tacos, let me tell you. But guys, I put the hitch is there, guys. Now it's time to get to work, guys. Get to work. I'm gonna avoid talking so much. I'm gonna just hit you with B-rolls, guys, left and right, on me doing everything that I'm doing with the bottle holder, guys. Right here is marked up for cut. And yeah, guys, so enjoy the video, man. Guys, it started raining, guys. Damn, but let me show you real quick, guys. Let me show you guys, man. Listen, y'all better show love to the video, man, because you don't see this type of games and hacks nobody's doing for y'all, man. Like for real, for real. So let me get this wheel cleaner real quick. Let me show y'all something. Let me show you guys something. Wow. 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 You feel me? Man, guys, it's raining, man. Oh, I wonder if these fit. I doubt it. But thing about these right here, man, they don't fit, man. You see. Oh, they don't. See, guys, that's why I don't like that. I don't like these, man. For the same reason. But fuck, guys, it's raining heavy. Oh man. So guys, I had to stop again, man. It's raining, man. This damn rain does not let me work, guys, and I've been so busy. But let me show you guys what I got so far, man. So this right here is gonna be where I'm gonna put all my. It's gonna be straight across. I'm gonna have my foam cannon and all my brushes hanging and things like that, guys. So it's gonna be very efficient to get things done. Boom, boom, boom. Be out the way. And yeah, guys, but the bottle holder. Whew. I'm trying to finish, guys, so I can show you guys a good video, man. But let's see if the rain gonna stop or not, man. Cut back. Alrighty, guys. So I'm gonna wrap it up with this video, man. It's raining still. I'm trying to do the best that I can to finish it, but this is what I got so far, guys. Let me show you. Let me show you guys. This is for my gloves, guys. The glove box, and then right here, I'm gonna put like probably like 3 and 4, probably a couple of inches plywood across, so that way all my stuff goes there. But yeah, the guys, this is what I got so far. Oh, let me show you guys a bottle holder right here. Right? This is gonna be a killer, guys. Look at that. What do you guys think, man? What you guys think?